Okay, we have here this 1986 Porsche 911 Carrera that we did a few upgrades and maintenance. We blackened out the wheels on the exterior, power coating. The guy used to have a 993 tail, which we found a Carrera tail and then got it installed. We went through the whole mechanical. We checked brakes, a lot of stuff. Basically every single thing on the car. That's how the interior looks. This was done probably about 13 years ago. We did the interior. It used to be red and we took it to black. Okay, so in the trunk we replaced the hood shocks and washer pump for the windshield washer. New brakes on new brake pads on the front. Okay. Oh, you know. Okay, on the engine, basically we pulled the engine down, replaced the flywheel, the clutch, pressure plate, fork, clutch cable. On the engine we did the spark plugs, took the valve cover gaskets and valve covers, replace the gaskets, adjust the valves, reseal the whole front of the engine, the back, new belt, new AC compressor, updated to 134. Air filter, all the little stuff, air filter, fuel filter, all that. We got new motor mounts and new transmission mounts too. Yeah. Okay, underneath we changed the two cooling hoses for the front radiator or oil cooler, and then we changed this line because what happened is the customer crushed it. I don't know, against something on the freeway. He got something on the freeway, so that's the pipe, the new pipe. And we also changed the upper and return hoses or pipes that go. One goes into the engine, one goes into the tank. You can see them right here. This one, and that one. Okay, also we changed the S line from the cooler to the reservoir. Reseal the cooler. Take the covers off. We adjusted the valves. Right here in the trans, we changed the oil. I like to use Redline 7590 non-slip because they got limited slip and non-slip. That's it makes a difference on the shifting, especially when the synchros are kind of not that great. So new trans mount. We also welded a new bracket for the sway bar because it was broken. We got new straps, new clamps. On the front, we replaced the tie rods with the turbo kind. The Carrera used to have bushings here, will give you a lot of, not as stiff as steering. and now it's gonna be firm. It's nice. New boots. Yeah. Air conditioning, we changed all the old rings on the air conditioning. It has a new compressor, I said that already. So now these are the parts. These are the old parts. These are the breather hoses. Breather hose, the shocks for the trunk and the hood. The Carrera, these are the Carrera tie rods. They have these bushings. So basically, these will do this, and the turbo tie rods are solid. So that's what, it's a good upgrade. It will make a lot of difference. And those are the trunk mounts and motor mounts. These are the seals for the bumper extensions. You have the clutch pressure plate, the disc. We also change all the bolts on the flywheel. It has a brand new flywheel, and also the clutch bolts. These are the oil cam lines, clutch cable, receiver dryer, expansion valve, front emblem, receiver cap rotor, fuel filter. What the hell is that? Oh, that's the soy bar bracket, whatever was left on. Air filter, spark plugs, oil pressure switch and sender, front brake pads, parking brake shoes. This one was metal to metal right there, so we changed the shoe. New flywheel, fan belts, valve cover gaskets, oil hose, fork and pilot bearing, and rear main seal. I also changed the front seal. I don't see it, but we should change that too. The front crank seal. And that's pretty much it. So it runs like a top. So, okay.